So this is our Westminster lean-to mini greenhouse, and this is the 5-foot long version, the 1.51 metre long version. So it's designed to go against a wall or a sturdy fence, and the Westminster is a very, very narrow model, so it's ideal for a very small courtyard garden or maybe a side return when you haven't got a lot of depth. But because it's so narrow, it makes a wonderful showcase for your plants. You've got all the seed tray shelves in here. You've got 8 seed tray shelves in here. You put your plants on there and it makes a wonderful display. The shelves are fully adjustable, so you can change the height of the shelves from using the holes that are on the back legs, so you can change the spacing depending on the height of the plants that you're wanting to put on there. And with this longer version, you can see you've also got split shelves, so each shelf is only half the length. That means that if you've got, say, something taller, you're not taking the whole of the length up with having a shelf that's accommodating the tall plants. So if you look down here, you can see we've got these tomatoes which are taller, and then we've got the shelf at the back here drop down flat. So it's giving us space for the taller things there, but on the other side we've got the shelf up still. So it makes it very versatile within the greenhouse. And you can see as well that all of the shelves are made from these slim but sturdy aluminium bars. So we're maximising the light levels that are inside the greenhouse. Now the glazing is toughened safety glass. So you slide the doors for access and slide the doors for ventilation. So this means that in the early springtime you can have it open just a little bit. In the height of summer you can have it wide open. In fact, the roof glass as well will slide for additional ventilation in the summertime. But we still use glass. It's toughened safety glass. It's 4mm thick because glass will trap the heat much better than plastic. So in the early springtime you'll go out here, if the sun's on it, it'll be nice and warm and you can ventilate it to make sure it doesn't get too hot. But that heat is being absorbed, the plants will be growing because the temperature inside is warm enough for them to grow. And then if you've got it against a brick wall, the brick wall will absorb that heat and then give that heat off again in the evening time. So it's extending your growing day. So we find that people use this model for seedlings, or they might have it near the house for herbs. It makes a wonderful herb house, allowing you to keep your herbs and come out and just pick the herbs you need for your cooking. Ideal again for plug plants in the springtime. You can keep them in here, keep an eye on them because it might be close to the house where you can see it, and then you can plant those out. And then in the summertime you can have tomatoes, peppers, Mediterranean crops in there. So you can use it all year round, but it makes a wonderful growing place for all of your plants.